In this example, we are going to demonstrate what do we mean by pass by value, where let's say from your main method, you are passing a variable value to a function, and that function actually modifies that value, but that change is not reflected in the actual value which we pass to the method. This is quite interesting. Let us see what we actually mean. In this example, we have two classes, fuel meter and petrol pump. In fuel meter, we have a method called calculate fuel price, which basically does that. It accepts two arguments, the number of liters you have consumed and the price per liter, but it does a very nifty little thing. It updates this argument, price per liter. So as you can see, we are adding a surcharge of 2.25 to the past value, right? And then we are assigning the new calculated value back to the variable price per liter. And then using this updated price per liter value to calculate the actual fuel price. Now, if you go to the petrol pump, we have a normal main method. We instantiate one object of the fuel meter class, and we also define the price per liter and calculate the total price. So while calculating the total price, we invoke the calculate fuel price on the fuel meter object, and we pass two arguments. So one is the number of liters consumed, which is 12, and the price per liter. So currently the price per liter value that we are passing is 107.25. But once the method is executed, as you remember, we are updating the price per liter. So ideally, this value should get updated, right? Wrong. So that will not be updated. So this is what is called pass by value, where we are not passing the actual reference to this value to this method. So whatever change happens within this method is not reflected back in the actual variable. So let us just run this code and see what happens. So if we print out the price per liter in this main method, it will give us the previous value of 107.25, which remains unchanged. And when we calculate the total price, we will see that what value is used while calculating the total price. So if we run this, here we can see that within this method, calculate fuel price, the price was updated to 109.5. It was not 107.25. But once the method execution completed and we came back to our main method and we printed the value of price per liter, you can see the value remains unchanged, 107.25. It's not reflecting 109.5. And with that, we have calculated our new total price. So this actually demonstrates how Java uses pass by value.